From producing unrecyclable packaging to single-use items, our reliance on plastic has reached an unsustainable level.
A lot of materials are not made to be recyclable, and therefore if we don't recycle them, then they end up in the landfills, and that is a menace to us. These materials will eventually find their way into our water bodies, into our conservation areas, and the effects could be more deleterious than loss of life and biodiversity loss.
We came up with an idea with our partners, WWF, to come up with an innovation challenge, and we're calling it Let's Be Clear. So we're trying to transition the packaging to going clear, but also introducing innovation in terms of packaging so that it adopts the principles of circularity.
BIDCO Africa Limited thanks KPP and WWF for their innovative approach by initiating Let's Be Clear Challenge program for the entire manufacturing industry. We appreciate as BIDCO for their continued efforts given in guiding and training right from the technical, marketing and the management team to make sure that they understand the reasons behind this initiative of Let's Be Clear Challenge.
Being part of KPP and the Innovation Challenge has been like having an elder sister, if I may say, having someone who keeps your goals in check. For us, that was making sure that our packaging material is as recyclable as possible. For biofoods, these guidelines have been a very timely manual, guiding us through the technicalities of making our packaging material more recyclable, and I believe that the same guidelines can be used by any packaging manufacturer or producer to make their packaging recyclable as well.
Our recycling rates are at more or less 10%. And for us to improve our recycling efficiency, then we need to start from the production side of things and try to work with businesses to change their production models to have sustainable packaging that can easily be recycled and that can easily be taken back as feedstock for the next production cycle.
One of the key things as Takataka Solutions, we are recyclers, and we've been trying to ensure that we work with producers and manufacturers so that by the time the material gets to us, it's recyclable.
Our commitment was that we would move our translucent PET at that time from being translucent to clear, which is more recyclable in that it's lighter and it has less problematic additives.
SILAfrica pledges that by 2025, we would like to make all our packaging 100% recyclable from the current 90% recyclable content, whatever we are having at the moment.
We have taken up the two challenges which we want to commit ourselves in terms of closing by end of 2025. The one is that shifting our printing of the jerry cans into jerry cans which can be labeled. And we are also committing ourselves in terms of converting our customers who uses the tinted bottle to a clear bottle.
In our leading brand of Planet Aqua Water, we had taken bold step of removing the cap security seals early last year, which successfully contributed towards reduction of around 1 metric ton of unnecessary plastic from the value chain.
And even our commitment now is to ensure that we help create awareness so that all the materials that is actually produced gets to reach to us and does not end up as plastic pollution.
Overall, the Innovation Challenge is a crucial step towards achieving the Kenya Plastics Pact roadmap, ensuring 100% of plastic packaging is reusable and recyclable and 40% is effectively recycled by 2030. It also forms an important platform where the participants begin to build their capacity to be fully compliant with the mandatory extended producer responsibility EPR requirements as stipulated in the Sustainable Waste Management Act of 2022. Join the Let's Be Clear movement and create a world where plastic pollution is a thing of the past.